In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform Headswap on Grok Imagine. Before we start, a quick heads up. Grok Imagine is evolving fast, but as of now, it doesn't support a true pixel-accurate headswap inside the app. That said, you can still set up strong image or video prompts, use templates, and explore examples that get you as close as possible within the current tools. Begin by heading to the Grok website. Once you're in, take a moment to note the limitation I mentioned. A true head swap isn't available right now. Keep this in mind as you work because it will shape how you prompt and which templates you choose. Open the Imagine workspace from the left-hand side. This is where you'll build your prompt and manage your media. Start by browsing the featured templates. These are curated starting points that show you how others frame portrait-style prompts, lighting, and composition. Even without a direct head swap feature, a good template can steer the model toward consistent facial framing and style. Next, explore Discover. This gallery gives you real outputs from the community. Pay attention to prompts that emphasize facial detail, angle, and lighting. These clues help you craft more precise instructions for the look you want. When you're ready to bring in your own material, click the plus sign to add an image. This opens your media picker. Upload or drag and drop your files. For best results, use clear, front-facing photos with even lighting and minimal obstructions. Higher resolution images tend to preserve more detail, which helps the model follow your intent more faithfully. Click into the prompt field labeled Type to Imagine. Here, describe exactly what you're aiming for. Be explicit about the subject's pose, camera angle, expression, lighting, and overall style. Because a direct head swap isn't supported, guide the model with descriptive cues like portrait, centered face, neutral expression, soft studio light, and any stylistic context you want reflected. Choose whether you're working with an image or a video. If your goal is a still portrait, select image. If you want motion and style carried across frames, select video, keeping in mind that facial consistency can vary more in motion. Finally, submit your prompt by clicking the button or pressing enter. Give the system a moment to process. Review the results and note what worked: angle, lighting, or prompt phrasing. Small prompt refinements often make a big difference on the next run. And remember, always respect consent and the platform's usage policies when working with people's likenesses. That's the workflow in Grok Imagine today, making the most of templates, discovery, and precise prompting while true head swapping remains unavailable.